Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I want to show you a little marketing lesson I learned from Sally's school. You see, yesterday when I came home, I received this little invitation in the mail, and this invitation is for their Forever Plaid fundraising event. So in addition to doing all the various activities, the school, I guess like a lot of school, they try to raise additional money by holding fundraisers, to raise more money. Yeah. So this is a fundraiser the school holds every year. It's called Forever Plaid. Forever Plaid, you get it? See? So you see the color, it's plaid. Forever Plaid. But yeah, it's held at the Fashion Island Hotel coming up in next month. So what's unusual about it? Well, check this out. RSVP, please RSVP by February 28th. Tickets are $600 per person. $600 per person to go to this event. And that includes your reception, recognition, dinner, table favors, hosted bar, and valet parking. Now, in addition to that, you can also underwrite certain things that the event needs to, to host and stuff like that. So if you want to help pay for that or underwrite, they say, you can do that. Like if you wish to underwrite the entertainment, that's $6,000. Or the dinner wine, you want to underwrite the wine? $5,000. You want to underwrite the valet parking? $4,000. And there's this whole list here of stuff you can underwrite. And the cheapest one, I guess, is the, they call it general. Just because. $50 to $150, if just you want to underwrite something. So, a little crazy. You might look at it, you might feel a little crazy. So what internet marketing lesson can you learn from this? Very important one. The first one is to know your audience. Know your audience, because the more you know about your audience, the better you can target the message to them. Let's just face it, an invite like this with prices, with these kind of prices, would not fly in most schools. It would not fly, definitely not fly in a city school or even most public school. But in a school where the parents pay over $30,000 a year just in tuition alone, this kind of stuff is normal, right? So know your audience. And because the school knows the audience, they're able to target an invitation to that audience, right? So the more you know your audience, the better invitation you have. And the school knows its audience. Like it knows that obviously the family, they have enough money to send their kids to this school, so they generally the higher net worth, and they make more money. So they target it appropriately. And I suppose in a school where it's not like this, they would target their message appropriately as well. So how do you get information about your audience? How do you know your audience? Several tips I can give you for that. The first is simply to ask them. And one of the best way to do that is to do a survey. You can use a service like surveymonkey.com and just ask your audience to, tell me something about you, where you're from, who you are, that kind of information. And you will increase your response if you offer a little prize. They say, hey, fill out the survey, get a gift card or Amazon gift card or some kind of prize you can put up if you fill out the survey. The other thing you can do is that you have a lot of tools as an internet marketer that's available to you to find out more information about the audience. Like for example, my email software, Aweber and Constant Contact. When someone opts into my list, it gathers a lot more information than just their name and email address. In addition to those two vital pieces of information, it also tells me their IP address, where they live, what part of the country they're from, what browser they're running, what operating system they're running, like Chrome, Safari, or whatever. So you have all the information, and if you find out that most of you signing up are coming from a certain part of a certain country versus another country, you can tailor your offer to that, to more specifically to that, right? Because without that information, you're pretty much shooting blind. Like let's just face it, you send this invite to, an inner city school, the response will probably be zero. But send this invite to the kids going to the school Sally's going to, this event will raise, last year, it raised almost $2 million because in addition to the sponsorship, the tickets, there's also an auction. Yeah, we'll be able to bid on stuff, and the bids, they get pretty high. Yeah, they get pretty high. They get high. But this is also actually a good lesson in what I talk about a lot is about when I say networking and birds of a feather. See, when I told you, in a previous video, I told you that I don't lose money going to mastermind events. I don't lose money going to events. I make money in an event. Well, this is kind of example of that, like I said. And it's all about surrounding yourself with people that you can do business with. And one of the reasons the school puts on this kind of event, not only to raise money, but it's an opportunity for the parents to get together and do some high quality networking, right? So yeah, that's right. So there will be, this is how I start forming a relationship with some of these other parents and eventually get in a business relationship, and it makes the cost of the sponsorship, the auction, everything seem like nothing, right? So anyway, that is the takeaway and lesson that you can learn from a school. Yeah. So know your audience, tailor the message to your audience, and that is how you increase your response and make more money online. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you like that message. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.